To some national politics, the Supreme Court issued a ruling overnight blocking the Trump administration from sending National Guard troops to Illinois. The ruling could set a precedent and change how local officials push back against the federal government. NBC's Alice Barr has the details.
This morning, the Trump administration weighing its next moves after the Supreme Court blocked an effort to deploy National Guard troops in Illinois in a crime crackdown. The Illinois governor calling the ruling a win for democracy and a, quote, important step in curbing the Trump administration's consistent abuse of power. He has vocally opposed troops coming into Chicago, saying it's not necessary and not what residents want.
They want civilian law enforcement when they need them, and jobs, and after-school programs for kids in the neighborhoods. They do not want Donald Trump to occupy their communities.
A White House spokesperson writing that President Trump, quote, activated the National Guard to protect federal law enforcement officers and to ensure rioters did not destroy federal buildings and property. Nothing in today's ruling detracts from that core agenda, noting the troops support immigration enforcement officers and that the administration will keep working to safeguard the public. President Trump has long defended his National Guard strategy.
We have the right to do it because I have an obligation to protect this country.
The high court justices rejected the Trump administration's claims that Chicago has become so lawless it justifies invoking a law allowing the president to call National Guard troops into federal service in extreme situations like a rebellion. The ruling is a rare rebuke from the conservative Supreme Court, and while it's preliminary and only for Illinois, it's likely to bolster similar challenges to National Guard deployments in other American cities. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.
Other cities that have challenged the National Guard deployments include Los Angeles, Portland, Oregon, and Washington, D.C.